DirectFix.com presents
The iPhone 5 Speaker Module Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPhone 4 or 4S for under $100 with parts from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
We're going to begin disassembly by completely powering off the phone. Using a SIM card removal tool, remove your SIM card. Using the pentalobe screwdriver provided in the iPhone toolkit, remove 2 pentalobe screws on either side of the charge port on the bottom of the phone. Place a suction cup on the front of the screen of the phone, also provided in the iPhone toolkit, and begin to gently pull the screen up. Once the screen is begin to loosen, use your case opener tool to remove the screen fully. The 3 ribbon cables for the LCD touch panel and forward-facing camera are all secured underneath a metal shield, which is then secured with 3 Phillips screws. Remove the 3 screws and the shield. Using your case opener tool, carefully disconnect the 3 connectors for the LCD touch panel and forward camera. There are 2 shields covering the connectors for the battery and charge port, which are secured by 3 Phillips screws. Disconnect and carefully pull the battery out. Disconnect and carefully peel back the ribbon for the charge port. Disconnect this small antenna cable. Disconnect the ribbon cables for the volume and power buttons, and then disconnect 2 more ribbon cables and completely remove. Remove a shield covering the rear-facing camera flash. Remove 2 small Phillips screws along the side of the rear-facing camera. Remove 2 small Phillips screws from the red circles indicated and remove 3 double-threaded Phillips screws from the blue circles indicated. Remove 2 more Phillips screws along the top edge of the phone. Carefully lift out the motherboard. Along the bottom of the motherboard is another antenna cable. Disconnect in order to completely remove. Carefully peel back this ribbon cable for the home button metal contacts. Remove 2 small Phillips screws, allowing you to remove the speaker module. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.